Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you through the IS6FX My Account Area on your Windows PC. To proceed, log into your IS6FX account. After that, click on your name at the top right corner of the menu. To navigate the account area, click on Account Information. You will see the account area. First, let's look at your registered information. Here, you will find all your basic details: email address, password, contact details, and residence information. It's essential to keep this information up to date to ensure smooth communication and transactions. If you need to update any details, simply click on the Change button, make your changes, and save them. Next, we move on to the Documents to be Submitted section. Here, you need to upload your identification documents to verify your account. After that, let's see the bank accounts. This is where you can link your bank account to your IS6FX account for seamless deposits and withdrawals. Moving on to Credit Card Info. This section allows you to securely store your credit card details for quick and easy deposits. Adding your credit card information is straightforward. Enter your card details and rest assured that all data is encrypted and secured with two-factor authentication. Finally, let's look at wallet address registration. If you prefer using cryptocurrencies, this is where you can register your wallet address. You can add your wallet address by manually entering the name and address. Ensure the address is correct to avoid any issues with your crypto transactions. Regularly updating your information and ensuring your documents are up to date will help you manage your account efficiently. Congratulations! You have learned about your IS6FX account area on Windows PC. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!